My secret weapon for dewy skin is the new Dewdrop Serum. I'm just going to put 2 pumps into my hands and then pat in. It doesn't have any glitter, pearl, or mica, but it leaves you with this really dewy glow.
It's glowing.
Next, I'm gonna use just 1 pump of the Plum Serum. Personally, I love to use the dewdrops as a primer after my moisturizer and before foundation. 2 pumps to get the ultimate glow. You're literally gonna smell like a fruit basket, I'm telling you.
And now I'm gonna put a little bit of dewdrops into my foundation. I have my dewdrops and I'm gonna add a touch to my blush.
I just mixed a bit of my cream blush with the dewdrops, and this just gives it even more glow.
Mix it in very well. And that's the simple eye look. I'm already dewy, but I want more. So here's a dab of the dewdrop.
We wanna tap out the excess. A little bit on the tip of your nose. And then your Cupid's bow.
And now I'm just gonna finish off with a few pumps of dewdrops because never have enough dewdrops. And I'm just gonna put a little bit here, never have enough, and under my brow bone.
Dewy for you. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see your dewy looks.